Hello, fourth grade. Here's the second video for week 6 of being out of school and for the third week of your interactive notebook. You will need to find the sheet of paper that says this: I can describe the factors that affect a performance. And you know how to glue it on, something I noticed. But before you fill this out, you need to know kind of what I'm looking for as far as you writing something. So on Seesaw, I'm going to post this YouTube video. If you don't want to go into Seesaw, this is the link. And it's a performance of the French composer Joseph Maurice Ravel's music entitled Bolero, but it's performed by a troupe called Blast. And it's a stage performance that you're going to watch, and it's instruments. And so here are some things before you fill out the other part is you're going to try to pick 2 things that you noticed. Maybe one of the things you notice, is there anything unusual about this performance? I mean, this is classical music, but what other things might you notice? Was the theme of the music interesting? Did the music show emotion? Did the performers play with energy or passion? And did the performance inspire you to want to play music? You're not going to write about all of these things. You're just going to pick 2, but these are ideas. Was there something about the performance that is not mentioned here that you really want to write about? Now, it's not about whether you liked the music or not. It's things that you notice about the actual performance. And so here, now you've listened to the music, Bolero, and maybe you've taken some notes about it. And now you're going to fill this in. So something you noticed. What particular specific thing about the performance did you notice? Write it down here. I noticed that something, 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 something. And then whatever you wrote here, how does that affect the overall performance? I'm just going to make up something silly. Don't copy me, but I noticed that the French horn players all played silver French horns. I'm not sure if that's true. How does that affect the performance? Well, it made the look of the performance look choreographed or even because everybody matched. You can't copy that now. That's just something I made up. Then you have to have a second thing that you noticed. And so it needs to be different than this. So you might write, I noticed that there was a big choir behind the band. How does that affect the performance? It made it more interesting because I like choirs and I like bands. But really, I want you to avoid things that you personally like and just write about the performance itself. Hopefully you will enjoy Bolero. I'm interested in seeing what you write here. Now, there will be a third video for this week, and so look for it. I'm posting it on Seesaw. Bye. Have fun listening to Bolero.